Hey there, future online money wizards and financial dreamers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share something truly extraordinary, a super simple ChatGPT copy and paste method that can help you earn a staggering $20,000 every month. Yes, you heard it right, $20,000 a month, and this is the video that could change your financial future forever. But before we dive into this online money magic, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. So, what's this all about? It's about an unbelievable opportunity to turn your online dreams into reality with ChatGPT. With the right technique, you can tap into the immense potential of ChatGPT and make an astonishing income right from your computer. And today, we're going to show you how. First things first, let's talk about the toolkit you'll need to unlock this incredible online money magic. Don't worry, you don't need a tech background. All you need is ChatGPT, an internet connection, and your imagination. It's as simple as copy and paste, and we're about to reveal how. The magic copy and paste technique is where the real fun begins. It's about leveraging ChatGPT's power to create content that's worth its weight in gold. Step 1, identify profitable niches and content ideas. Step 2, engage ChatGPT and provide initial guidance. Step 3, copy the generated content and paste it where it matters most. Step 4, watch the online money magic happen as your content attracts views and revenue. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for, how to turn this online magic into a consistent $20,000 monthly income. But wait, we're not done yet. I've got some expert tips to help you master the online money game and maximize your earnings. Tip 1, stay up to date with industry trends and adapt your content accordingly. Tip 2, build a loyal audience through engagement and interaction. Tip 3, network and collaborate with others in your niche. And tip 4, consistency is key, keep the online money magic flowing. There you have it, my future online money magicians, the secrets to making $20,000 monthly with this super simple ChatGPT copy and paste technique. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about taking control of your financial destiny. If you found this video as exciting as I did, make sure to share it with your fellow dreamers, hit that like button, and subscribe for more financial wizardry like this. Until next time, keep pasting, keep earning, and keep making that online money magic happen. Thanks for joining us today, everyone, signing off and reminding you that with ChatGPT, your financial dreams can become your financial reality. See you in the next video.